Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we have the F33W Fast Wireless Charging Solar Power Bank. So we're going to unbox this. We're going to give it a test run. And I'm going to tell you what I think of it, at least from my first impressions. Now this thing is, in the box anyway, it's quite hefty. Let's open it up. It does seem to be packaged very, very well. Now, as you see, it comes with, oh, I must have pushed a button because we have some lights on here. Okay, so, yep, this is definitely quite heavy. So it does have, as you see here, the solar panels up front. And, oh, it looks like it's automatically charging just from the lights that I have here in the studio. That's pretty neat. Okay, so it has all kinds of neat little features here. Let's see. There's a power button on the side. And if you hold it for a few seconds, you have some very, very bright lights, as you see here. Push it again. It's a little dimmer, but still quite bright. Push it again, and it has a little flashers. It looks like it's doing SOS. And then you press it again, and there's constant flashing. That'll put you into a fit. And then push it again, and it's off. Oh, you know what? Let's finish unboxing this. This looks like just a little strap. We have a charging cable, so you can charge it with a brick or on your computer. And of course, it has the instructions. So let's get these things out of the way. Anything else in here? Nope. All right, so what we have, looks like on the one side here, we have Type-C micro. Oh, by the way, this is weather resistant. As you see, everything's nice and sealed. Supposed to be dust resistant, weather resistant, rain resistant, sneeze resistant, all that good stuff. But on the one side here, it says Type-C micro. See if we can pull that back. Alrighty. So it does have, oh, I think this is where you charge it. I'll look at the instructions later, but it looks like an in and out. It has a Type-C, and it has the old mini attachment, looks like, in there too. Huh. Oh, micro rather. Type-C and micro. So, nicely done. Let's see, what else do we have here? Nothing. Oh, on the bottom, we have 3 USBs. There we go. So it looks like we have a USB Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Okay, so that's interesting. Never saw that before. And for those of you who have phones that will charge, let's see if mine will do that. Put it right here, and it should. There it is. So it has wireless charging. That's neat. So it's supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways to charge. Actually, I was going to say, let's go outside and see if the solar panels work, but I don't have to do that because it's working now, just with the studio lights. So we know that works. But let's go ahead on the bottom here. Plug this in. Go to the bottom of my phone. See if it'll charge. Yes, it does. Okay, so that port works. Oops, I hit the power button. That might be an issue. Just have to know where to hold it. That port works. Alrighty, and Type 3 works. Alrighty. So there you have it. Again, this thing is a beast, but it should help me with my video equipment. It should help me with, of course, my phones, all my USB attachments, and it's supposed to help me with some of my drone equipment, which is exactly why I did it. Plus, with the kids coming along on vacation, I'll be able to test it out. Again, we're supposed to be able to do 5 pieces of equipment all at one time. We'll see. Oh, and by the way, they have a nice little heat disperser piece of metal right here. So that's kind of nice. So hopefully will help it not overheat. And I think that's about it. So thank you for coming along with me for unboxing and first use and testing of the F33W fast wireless charging solar power bank. And as always, have a great day.